Hello there and welcome back to our channel. In this video we will show you how to transfer money from your Cash App account to your bank account quickly and safely. So let's get started. Before you can transfer funds, you will need to make sure your bank account or debit card is linked to Cash App. You have to open the Cash App on your phone or on your browser, on your PC. You have to tap your profile icon at the top right corner. Here you will see that option at the top right corner. You have to tap onto your profile icon in the top right corner. Then under that you have to tap on account and settings. After tapping onto account and settings, if this is your first time, the list will be empty. Tap link bank to add one. You have to tap onto link bank option, then follow the prompt to authenticate your account. Once confirmed, your bank account will link in the linked section. Now that your bank account is connected, let's move your funds. Return to the home screen, tap the money icon, basically dollar icon at the bottom. It will be at the bottom. Okay, at the top you will see your Cash App balance. Here you can see that Cash App balance. You just have to tap on to cash out. Just tap on to cash out. A slider will appear to let you choose how you want to transfer. Use the slider to or enter a custom amount. Tap cash out again. Cash App gives you two options. Standard transfer, it takes usually between 1 to 3 business days. Instant transfer, a small fee, it includes a small fee, and the standard transfer is free. Instant transfer deposits immediately. Choose the one that works best for you. If you have not linked a bank account, your Cash App will prompt you to do so. Now if you have multiple banks linked, select the one you want to transfer to, and that's it. Check out everything twice. That's how you transfer money from your Cash App to your bank account. And if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Goodbye.